equals my Thermomix TM5 won't start at all. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue might be due to a malfunctioning control board or a power connection failure. We replace the board and ensure all connections are secure to get your device running smoothly again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.